Hello everyone, day 3 on Constellation class. So there is a question from one of the person. Please make video on the multi-select combo box for the Pega Constellation data page. So this is what today I'm going to cover now. Let's go back to Pega here. So I have taken this case type. So I'm going to show how we can have this combo box. So let me go here, go to configure view. So this is where I'm planning to have my combo box. So to have the combo box configuration can be done only for the data references. So when you click on this fields is nothing but the property creation. So we can have your property. So I'm going to name this property as your address or the account details. So based on your requirement, you can keep the name. Now, so the next one is going to be the type. Type, as I mentioned, this can be configured for the data reference. So if you want to have the, usually this combo box is nothing but we will have this multi-select option where we will have this checkbox, and like whenever we want to have to provide the multiple options for the user to select, that is where we will go for this option. So if you want to have the multiple select of the value, usually what that means, we are fetching the more than one value from the backend. So to fetch the more than one value, from where we will be fetching usually from table. So using what, usually we fetch using the data page. So I'll create one data reference now. Here this is where you define your data object. You can use the existing data object, or you can create one for you. So now I already have one data object, so I've created one. Data object is nothing but the data table, the account details table. Let me show you that. So this is the table data type I have created. So I have inserted two records over here. So now I'm planning to show these two records for the multiple select option. Now let me go back to the view. So here we need to find our data type. So my data type is account details. Here it is. I'm selecting this. So this is something, it's based on our requirement again. So usually this multi-select option is for the multiple records. So I'm going to provide the option as list of records. Expand this advanced. Enter the advanced. Only you will be able to select the data page. So we can have more than one data page for our particular data type. So which data page is having the value for this multi-select, that particular data page. It's kind of a list data page you have to select. For me, account details is the data page which is holding the more than one value. I mean, this data page I'm using to fetch more than one value. So this is something I need to select here. If you have more than one, you can select based on your requirement. So this is something I have selected, and that's all. The configuration is done. Let me submit this. So once you submit, you will be able to see the view on the left side. So this is how it shows currently. So now we see the values are not populated over here. So if you go to this is where you edit your label. So for example, if you want to provide space, you can provide like this. Instantly it will get updated. Now do the save. You see it is getting updated on the left hand side. Now let me do the configuration. Open this configuration here. So the data page is already selected in the backend, so you can ignore for now. And sometimes if you have more than one data page, it will show you here as well. You can select the data page which you want to populate the result. And mode is multi-select, and the display as is currently we are showing as a table. So if you want to have a combo box, you have your option over here. You have to select this combo box option. So instantly you see the UI got updated. Yeah, the other options are like simple table. So when we update this as a simple table, the UI will get updated, and the combo box is the one which we need, and the checkbox group. So this will be group based on the options. So all these options are available. For now, I'll show you the demo for combo box. Let me do submit. Save. Let me create one case and see. Delivery request. So you see here, this is how the multi-select works. Now you see the number is getting displayed. So for example, we might be having like a number of columns. So the which column you want to display for the UI is something we have to select in the combo box option. Let me go back and show you. So when you open here, you see display field. So now I'm gonna select this as a name. Let me do submit and see. So you see the now name is getting displayed. This is how we do the configuration for the combo box. Let me check for other as well. So let me go back and update the combo boxes checkbox group. So here we do have an option to display whether vertically or horizontally. So let me select for the horizontal display. Let me do save. Let's go back and create the case now. You see here the options are getting displayed in the horizontal view, and this is something like I see like this is looking like the normal checkbox option. So if we have like a less number of field, maybe we can display in this way. If it is more than maybe 5 or 10, so it won't look good if we show in the same UI. That is where we go for the combo option. So in the combo box option, we do have like advantages like, let me show you. Let me update this to combo box. Let me do save. Let's go and create the case now. So for example, if I want to select a Sarah, so when you type, so this is where it has advantage. So when we have more records, you can do the search, and based on the search, you can select the record. Yeah, now to submit. This is how we do for the combo box. Hope this has cleared your doubt. We'll meet in the next class with a new topic. If you want me to cover any topic, do comment on the page so that I can cover this for you. We'll see in the next class.